private. These bitches, they don't like me, they silent, they trying, a bitch try.
Hey guys, it's your girl Famous Key and I'm back with another video. And I know I'm not in my regular recording area, but I'm in a different area right now. So today's video is going to be about starting a YouTube channel, because I know a lot of you be asking me questions of how I start. And yes, I'm aware that I'm not a big time YouTuber, but I do have some tips and tricks that I do for myself. Pretty sure that you guys would like to know. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching and like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be aware of my next video. So to start off, I wrote a couple things in my phone so I can, you know, keep track of what I'm talking about. If I'm looking down, just know that I'm looking at this. So for the first thing I wrote is, do not invest in expensive cameras when you just start your channel, because if you have, like, let's say you have 10 subscribers and you buy a $600 camera and you buy all these things and you have 10 subscribers. Now, I'm not saying that it's a possible chance that having all those equipment and all this and that won't help your channel, but it's good to start off with what you have. iMovie is what I use to edit my videos. I know a lot of people use this app that's like maybe $30 or something like that. I start off with iMovie because it's doing me just fine. Maybe in the future I might upgrade to a different, you know, editing thing, but right now iMovie is fine. YouTube Studio is what I use to keep track of my subscribers and my watch time and to keep track of my revenue. At the moment, I do not have any income coming in for YouTube because I'm a starting YouTuber, but YouTube Studio is a great app to keep track of all of that. PHONTO is what I use strictly for making thumbnails and other edits. YouTube Studio and PHONTO are connected because to post your thumbnails, you cannot use the YouTube website to do that. To post your thumbnails, you have to go through YouTube Studio and click the video itself, and it'll have the option to upload a thumbnail, and it gives you the option to have ones that they've like personally screenshotted, or you can add your own. So that's how you do that, but you also have to get on your laptop or anything you are able to get on to monetize your videos, because sometimes you are not able to post thumbnails if you haven't monetized your channel. YouTube has a lot of rules and stuff. Documents is what I use to have background music. I do have a ring light and I do have a backdrop because I personally wanted to start off with, like, you know, some good equipment. But that was my preference because sometimes I started off with just my camera and I started off with some good lighting. And it's kind of good to just have a, you know, a lamp or anything like that. You don't have to have a ring light or anything to start off a channel and have it, you know, turn out bomb. My very first video, I did not have a ring light or a backdrop. I had to purchase it with my own money. If you have good lighting or a nice lamp or something like that, it's perfectly fine. Like to sit your phone up or whatever you have, sit up on like a book or something and just record, honey, because you got to fake it until you make it. And you don't got to start off expensive. Because if you're starting off expensive with 10 subscribers and you're invested in your channel, it's kind of hard to have all this money spent on YouTube and you don't have a following, because you have to gain, you know, you have to gain subscribers, you have to gain likes, you have to gain comments. It's good to start with what you have and have videos already on your channel. You post a video with all this good quality and all this good, you know what I'm saying, all this and that, and you only not getting a lot of likes nor a lot of views. Most importantly, your views is what gets you paid. For the ones who thinks that likes and subscribers is getting you paid, that is not correct. Your views is what gets you paid. So if somebody just simply views your video for a long period of time or a short period of time, YouTube actually has this new thing which is watch time, and depending on how long someone watches your video all the way through, it adds more viewers. So let's say someone watched my video from the beginning to the end, it adds an extra view. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but yeah, if someone just views your video and don't like it, that actually helps you. So if you have haters or people that doesn't like what you're doing but are watching your every move, tell them thank you, because they're getting you paid. Definitely getting you paid. A camera. I do not own a camera at all. I have my phone and I use my ring light and I attach my phone to it, which I will also put a description to where I got my ring light from. It was like $107 for my ring light to invest a big amount of money on my YouTube channel. And my backdrop was like $17, but it comes in handy. Like, it really does come in handy. I kind of like that my page looks more professional, even though I'm not as high of a YouTuber that I want to be, but it helps to know that my channel is intact and people actually enjoy, you know, watching my videos because it's such good quality. Cameras now are like $600, $700. The camera that I want is $600, and who is paying for that? If you don't have a job like me, you gotta start off with your phone and what you got, because I don't have $600 to spend. Because even if I did have $600, I probably wouldn't even spend it on a camera. I'll tell you that right now. I wouldn't spend that on a camera. That would not be what I'm spending it on at all. Okay, sis. Just messed up my hair. But yeah, I would not be spending $600 on the camera. So, but if that's your preference, if you want to start off with a good camera, good for you. I will wait until you have a good following to spend a whole lot of money on it, and spend a lot of money on those editing apps that are like $30, because I would pass. Okay, I'm good with iMovie. iMovie is treating me really well. I feel like I need to do that. And about monetization, to start off with YouTube, a lot of YouTubers don't tell you this. To start off with YouTube, it's good to get on your computer and make an account with Google AdSense. I started an account with Google AdSense, so when I do start getting paid, it's an app that keeps track of how much money. I really don't know a lot about it because I'm not, you know, like I said before, I'm not a big time YouTuber. But it's good to start off with Google AdSense. A lot of YouTubers do not tell you that you should make this account, that you should connect with Google AdSense and look into it and look into the details. People just tell you, get on YouTube, make some videos, you know what I'm saying, get views, get subscribers. It's a lot that comes with it, but you have to be really consistent with YouTube. If you don't reach a goal, first of all, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to even start getting paid. You have to hit 1,000 subscribers, and you have to meet the goal that they give you every video you make. But a lot of people do not tell you to make an account with Google AdSense, and it's really good to start off and read into it and look at videos of them explaining how it works. How I make my intros and banners and all of that, I use PHONTO. When I make my banners, I use PHONTO, and I look at tutorials on YouTube. YouTube is my best friend for everything. Everything I know, I got it from YouTube. So I'm just telling you guys, like, look at tutorials. YouTube gives you all the information you need. YouTube tells you everything you need to know. YouTube is really handy. Like, it taught me how to add music to my background. It taught me a lot of things about iMovie that I didn't know. For my intros, I use POCKETVIDEO, and POCKETVIDEO is an app where you can do intros and you can do reaction videos. It allows you to put a video like right here and yourself in full screen. I haven't used that yet because I haven't done any reaction videos, but POCKETVIDEO is a really good app to use. A little thing about how I make my intros and how I have like those little effects, you have to type up green screen. Subscribe green screen is something like, it'll have like subscribe in a green background, and when you get to the stage where you have to put subscribe on your actual video, it'll have mask, and you just click green screen, and then the green will just disappear, and then you would just have subscribe. But green screen, when you look up something like Beauty Guru green screen, make sure you type green screen. So yeah, I said green screen like 20 times, getting y'all's head. Okay, I think POCKETVIDEO has an option where you can have the glitch green screen, so it'll be like glitchy. But overall, that's really all the tips that I have. And this lighting is bombo. Along with, like, my makeup is looking good with this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be aware of my next video. And we're close to 500 subscribers, guys. So let's just keep on subscribing and showing some love to my channel. And stay tuned for my next. Bye.
They love you in public but be hating in private. What? These bitches, they don't like me. They silent. They trying. A bitch try me.